Hi, I'm Robin with DecksDirect. Today we're going to be setting up a LINX pergola system, and this is honestly the first time we've ever done this, so join us for the ride, and it should take about an hour or less. All right, at this time we have the top frame together. So the next step is then to put some screws in. We want to make sure that the posts are fully seated inside of the connections. Then we're only putting in the outside screws at this point because we're going with a sunshade. If you're not going with a sunshade, then you would just go ahead and put all the screws in and make the connections at this point. So now we have the outside screws in, but because we have a sunshade, we now need to put the brackets on. So that's the next step. We're going to go ahead and put these brackets in, and we can attach the sunshade. So we've got the sunshade attached to the brackets on the four corners. So now what we need to do is figure out where we're going to put the brackets for the other attachments in the center on each post. So what we did is we kind of strapped them to each of the posts, and then we're just kind of laying out our brackets on each side, and then we're going to go ahead and attach the brackets to the post, and then go ahead and attach the sunshade then to the brackets. All right, so one thing to note is that there's screw holes on two sides. They should be on the inside and not the outside. We were so excited about finishing that we put them on the outside, and now we need to flip them around. Now the last step would be to secure it to some kind of surface, whether it be a deck or some footings. And when you do that, you just want to make sure to check plumb before you get them secured down. Make sure that each one is plumb, then get it secured. The sun came out and the sunshade is working just fine. Now you can get additional sunshades for each section. So the sides, you can get sunshades for the sides. Also a hammock for in here, so you can get that as well. Well, that is the LINX Pergola System, and it is available on DecksDirect.com. And if you have any questions about your deck or any project in your backyard, the LINX Pergola System, just give us a call. We love talking to you about your project.